Hello everyone, this is a follow-up video after the first one where I repaired the iMac speakers, the old one, the rotten ones. And if you didn't saw it, you probably should. And I will show you how well it works after replacing them in my iMac. This is an iMac G3 600 MHz. I upgraded it to 1 gig of RAM, and it's a exceptionally good retro machine for playing old Mac games and everything. So I'm gonna go into this is a freshly installed copy of macOS 9 tool. I'm gonna just go here into the sounds, and I'll give you an idea how well this thing works. I put the volume to maximum, so normal. I mean, right now you can compare it to my voice. I'm speaking at normal room volume. So when I'm gonna try to play these sounds.
Uh-oh.
So you can hear the sound. It's extremely clear, and I think it's a bit stronger than the original one. So I think by replacing them, we kind of improved the machine compared to the original one. So thank you for watching, and let me know in the comment section if you have any other suggestion. Thank you, and have a nice one.